I heard about that. Weili is a very big company, and it's available to grow globally. I make a decision to work here with the Weili team. Weili started to develop the OTR, that is over the range for the US market. Frankly speaking, in the past, is Chinese product or something is lower than the other country like Korea, Japan, USA. But I think is that the ability, capability, and technology for the product in China is getting increased a lot. Some industries are better than others, better than other countries, right?